I've heard of eagles picking up salmon, birds, lambs, and even crocodiles. But a baby? I guess there's a first time for everything, and that's exactly what happens in this video. If it is a fake, then they did an amazing job, and kudos to them. But I'm a glasses half empty kind of guy. So the first thing that was pointed out by the YouTuber Sciatech is the baby continues to rise even after being let go by the eagle. You can see this in a slowed down version of the clip. Some have said this is due to the baby's upward momentum, or possibly the threading from the baby's clothes were still stuck on the eagle's claws. The next thing that stands out is the child's guardian doesn't turn his head toward the commotion until much later than expected. It's almost like he has no peripheral vision or is really preoccupied with digging through his bag. Now notice the eagle's shadow. It kind of appears out of nowhere at one point. You'd expect a more fluid transition. Is this a CGI error, or could this be due to the frame rate of the video camera not being fast enough, or the topography of the land making it not visible from the camera's angle? One more thing to consider. The last thing to mention is the baby seeming completely limp during the entire ordeal, including while it drops to the floor. It reminds me of computer-generated physics, but it's just a baby, and maybe it wouldn't necessarily be flailing around. I don't have too much experience in that department. So those are the parts of this video that make me question its authenticity. What do you think? Fact or fiction? Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in, and giddy up.